కేరళ శబరిమల ఆలయంలో గోల్డ్ చోరీపై ప్రధాని మోదీ ఎందుకు మాట్లాడడం లేదన్నారు ఎల్ఓపీ రాహుల్ గాంధీ. దేశంలో ఎక్కడికి వెళ్లినా ఆలయాల గురించి మాట్లాడకుండా ప్రధాని ఉండగలరా అని ప్రశ్నించారు. కన్నూరులో జరిగిన బహిరంగ సభలో పాల్గొన్నారు రాహుల్ గాంధీ. అధికార ఎల్డీఎఫ్ కు బీజేపీ పరోక్షంగా మద్దతిస్తోందని ఆరోపించారు రాహుల్ గాంధీ.
Is a fight between two ideologies. The ideology of the left front CPM and the ideology of the UDF and the Congress party. And for the first time we are seeing that there is a partnership between the BJP and the left front. Normally this would be quite surprising that a left party is allying with the extreme right party. So the question is, how is it possible that left party is partnering with the right party? A puzzle. This is like a puzzle. And some answers are sitting with us on the stage. There are two veteran leaders from the CPM. Why are they sitting on our stage? Why are they not campaigning for the left front? Why are they not campaigning for the chief minister? Because what is today called the left front is actually not a left of center party at all. In fact, the reason they are partnering with the BJP is because they are both corporate parties. They are no longer parties of the people. And the proof is sitting on the stage here. People who are left-minded are standing here with us today and we are supporting them. Now you might ask me, how can I say that the BJP is supporting? I'll give you two proofs for this. The first is, wherever the Prime Minister goes, he talks about temples, he talks about religion, he talks about God. But when he comes to Kerala, he does not raise the issue of Sabrimala temple. CPM leaders stole gold from Sabrimala temple, replaced it with brass. No action has been taken against them. And the so-called defender of Hinduism comes to Kerala and says nothing about Sabrimala. Whoever attacks the BJP, the RSS, whoever stands in front of them, opposes them, is brutally attacked.
ആരൊക്കെ ബിജെപി എതിർക്കുന്നോ ആർഎസ്എസിനെ എതിർക്കുന്നോ അവരെ എതിർക്കാനാണ് മാർക്സിസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടി ഇപ്പോൾ തുനിഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതിനാണ് അവരെ പ്രാധാന്യം നൽകുന്നത്.
I have 36 cases against me. My house was taken away. My membership of Lok Sabha was taken away. I was interrogated for 55 hours by the ED. If the Chief Minister of Kerala is really standing against the BJP, then explain to me why there is no action taken on his corruption cases. Explain to me how his children are not interrogated. Explain to me how he is